Hello everybody. Okay, tonight I think we on. Last night we tape all the video and nobody. I was a chin chin, salute everybody, but nobody was. Some problem with the Facebook. Okay, tonight I think everything okay. Tonight we make cabbage roll soup. And we got everything ready over here. I got the hot Italian sausage. I got a garlic onion, bell leaves. I got a cabbage already, I chop already. And I got rice. It's arboreal rice. I got my homemade tomato sauce. And I got chicken stock. And I got wine with a pecorino cheese. But tonight I want to double them up the wine. Wonderful. Last night I was drinking wine. Salute, chin everybody. But nobody was. I did all the video and not up. Okay, now I gotta start with the stove over here. And we put I got the pots. And I put the gas on. I want to warm up the pots. I got the oil over here. And I bring the sausage. And the garlic and onion.
Hello everyone, hello.
Hello, it's good that tonight we on. Okay, I got my sauce over here. And I bring the bell leaves. And the cabbage. And this other stuff we can stay after we start.
Thank you for the stars.
Thank you very much for the stuff. And now I start with a little oil. Before we start, let's say salute chin chin. And I got the chicken soup over here. Okay, salute chin chin to everybody. And I got a little pecorino cheese. I salute and thank you very much for the stuff and for your support. Thank you. Okay, we started with the sausage. All right. Sommarenare e tirare.
Thank you. Which one you ordered, Teresa? Mask, chin chin, mask. Thank you. You have your baby here.
I got it right over here.
No, she ordered other one. Chin chin. Perfect. Thank you very much.
Now this is sausage, it's a spice. But if you want more spice, you can put more on your baby. I'll take the mask out. Well done.
Teresa, she got the mask and the t-shirt. I'm sorry.
Last night so much trouble. And after my son find out it was a Facebook problem, was work. And me, I was says, oh, the chin chin, this and that. But my wife, she said, I don't know, maybe tonight nobody want to see you.
Thank you, Tina, for the stars.
Yes, thank you very much and everybody for the stuff. Thank you so much. Thank you. E salute e chin chin.
where he come, this chef, Terry?
Okay, look how nice. We break all the sausage.
Thank you very much. I know it was really strange because he was talking, and nobody. Well, we did our best. Thank you, Regina, for the stars. Hello, Adam.
Hello. Last night, I talk, and somebody will, Bill, he write to my wife and said, we don't see nothing. But
Thank you, Carol, for the star. I couldn't even respond to you, Bill.
is online, Bill, now?
Yeah.
Oh, Bill is online. Hey, Bill, look what I got over here. I got a chicken soup over here. Hey, look how many I made. You see over here? It's a sign over there, the taco soup. I got it.
Oh, I think I have the cookbook. I think this was the lady, the mom. We'll say how many cups.
I mean, it's a taco. Okay, now, you see this, it's nice. And now I want to do and over here I got an onion and the garlic. Mix it together. You see the garlic?
Yeah, 4, you're right. This is his favorite number. Yeah, I have the book. We never actually did any recipe from that book, but we do have it. Thank you very much, everyone. We love you too.
Thank you very much. And like I said again, last night it was a problem. But you know what was my problem? I said to my wife, what do you do? What do you do? Maybe you do something wrong. And after my son Nicole said, no, the Facebook you got a problem. And we did all the video last night. And last night I was making chicken thigh cutlet with the raw beets salad. We was done. Salute chin chin.
Thank you, Bill, for the stars.
And I also want to show you last night too. Like I said, I got a lot of green tomato, and I did the tomato sottolio with the oil. And look, it's so good. And I got more. I got to do. Okay, now the onion too. Okay, you don't want to burn or not. Everything you gotta be nice. And I got over here, before I forget, I got the bay leaves I put inside. One. And I got all this.
Yeah, it was delicious. Really not good. I don't know if everybody ate like raw beet salad. It's really good.
Yeah, it was good, yes.
Laurel, thank you very much. If I didn't mention your name, sorry.
Okay, now we load the gas a little bit and we saute everything together.
He's making soup.
It's a cabbage roll soup.
It's something easy, especially now the cold is coming.
All right. Now, look at that. I want to put a little salt, not too much salt. I got the sausage and the chicken soup, and I got my sauce. I put like half. That's it. And I want to put a little black pepper. Okay. And now we give a nice turn on this. Okay. Now I got my tomato sauce. I know I got a problem. That's why I prepared this already. Because when I do this, it comes so tight at the top. Oh, okay.
It's really easy soup and it's so good.
Oh boy. Okay.
How
now,
many cabbage? It was like one not too big cabbage.
Yeah, look at this, the sauce now. Look at the sauce, how beautiful. Huh?
Yeah, it's like Polish recipe, yes.
Oh. Okay, my sauce is so good. Okay, now the chicken soup. All right.
Wow, 87, so it's really hot.
Yeah, 87 degrees.
Wow.
Yeah.
Today was not really warm. No, actually it was warm too, but it was very humid.
Okay. Now this you gotta boil for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, we cook the rice for 15 minutes. After we showed everybody what it looked like, this beautiful soup, the cabbage roll soup. And I want now you gotta start the boil, and we gotta wait. When they start the boil, we lower the gas. Okay, you gotta boil really, really low. And I'm so happy that tonight we did. I did all the video last night, all the video, talk, but nobody, we see nobody.
Well, the virus is not so bad here. Thank you, Teresa, for the stars.
And thank you very much. Like I said again, I'm so happy tonight everybody can say. Thank you for your support.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for the star.
We're using like arborio rice because this is like you're using for risotto. It's like sticky rice, but you can use any rice you like it.
Yes, the rice you can use. And I use the sausage. And you can use meat. It's okay. It's good.
Thank you very much, Laurel.
Okay, thank you very much. I like to stay a little longer, more talk to everybody, but everybody busy. It's okay. But this.
Or maybe somebody want to ask you a question.
So somebody want to ask me some question, please. I can answer to everybody. Okay. Salute, chin chin, and again.
Yeah, it's risotto rice, yes.
Yeah, thank you very much. And thank you for the stuff. Salute e chin chin. La, 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 la. I'm a little happy too tonight. Last night I was upset. I was blaming my wife, but after we find out it was on the Facebook. Salute e chin chin to everybody. and thank you for the start. Salute.
The green tomatoes is like appetizers you can eat. They actually very, very good.
Yes, I got a lot of tomato, green tomato, and I want to make more. Okay, it's really good. We was a taste, it come out delicious. You see, we did it like this. I was slice with a knife, and I put salt. For 24 hours, I put weight on the top for 24 hours. I take it out, I drain everything, the salt, everything, and we put vinegar and water. Now, I don't like too much vinegar, but I did it like this. 2 cups of water and 1 cup of vinegar. And we put like this for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you take it out and you drain the water and the vinegar. And I put with the oil, and we put a lot of garlic, oregano, and hot pepper. And we put it together, everything. That's the way it come out. And we put oil. It's so delicious.
Leslie, everything when is wrong, always it's my fault. Everything.
Well, but I have to say, my son Nicole said, no, it's the Facebook problem. But tonight, my wife, she said, oh, I hope, after when she started, she said, oh, we got it. It worked. Okay, salute everybody. Okay, again, thank you very much, and thank you for your support, and thank you for the stuff. Salute chin chin. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we do with eggplant too, yes, but now we did with the tomatoes. Okay, this needs to boil now like 45 minutes.
Look, it looks so good already. And this tonight, with nice glass of wine, and like this, it's everything good. Okay? Thank you, and thank you the can work tonight. Salute chin chin, and thank you for the start. Salute.